welcome to another Decal Ranch tutorial. I was surfing through the 8 trillion groups I'm in, and one person asked about where can I find this logo to download. It's not a normal logo, it's not something I've ever seen before, but they were wondering where can I buy it? How do I find it? What do you search? What I think some people aren't aware of is that you can actually search the net with this photo. So I'm going to show you 2 ways to do that. Google Images is one way where you can drop the photo in and it will search the net based off that photo. These are not perfect ways of doing it, but at least it's a way. So you can get some type of result. You might find the exact pic you're looking for, you might find nothing. So I can't 100% say this will work every single time, but at least it's a start. So what we'll do, I'm just going to drag the image in off the screen. You can see I have the image selected. I'm going to drop it in there. It uploads the file, and then it says logo design star. So it searches the net based off of what it thinks you should search for. And then you can see the very first result is this clip art. Well, you just found your design. But if not, we'll click back, and then we can search through. Here's 99designs.com. There's a couple different places that have this logo. Now another website you can do this through is called Tineye. Same thing. Grab the picture, drop it in, and it will also search for this image. Now, what I like about this is it kind of searches different places. So you might not get the same results. You can see these are slightly different pictures from the very first result, because those are Adobe stock photos. But somebody has the shirt with that logo on Redbubble, spread shirt, a Roblox shirt. You can see through different groups used a similar image. At least it's a start in the right direction to where hopefully you can find exactly what you're looking for. Like I said, this isn't 100%, but it's at least something. Any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. If you like what you just watched and want to see more tutorials from me in the future, please don't forget to subscribe. And as always, have a great day.